Hello everyone, today we are going to make a project which is Monostable Mode of IC555. The components required for this project are one breadboard, one 1 kilo ohm resistor, one 47 kilo ohm resistor, one 470 ohm resistor, one LED, one 10 microfarad capacitor, one IC555, one 4-pin push button, some connecting wires, one 9-volt battery and a battery snapper. First of all, take IC555, keep the notch point to the left side and place the IC on the breadboard. Connect pin 1 of the IC to negative rail of the breadboard. Connect pin 8 of IC to positive rail of the breadboard. Short pin number 6 and pin number 7 of the IC together. Take a 4-pin push button and place it on the breadboard. Take a 1 kilo ohm resistor and connect it between one terminal of push button and the positive rail of the breadboard. Connect another terminal of push button to the negative rail of the breadboard. Connect terminal 1 of the push button to pin number 2 of the IC. Take a 47 kilo ohm resistor and connect its one terminal to the positive rail of the breadboard. Take a 10 microfarad capacitor. The longer terminal is positive terminal and the shorter terminal is negative terminal. Connect the positive terminal of capacitor to the another terminal of resistor and the negative terminal of capacitor to the negative rail of the breadboard. Connect the positive terminal of capacitor to pin number 7 of the IC. Take one 470 ohm resistor and connect its one terminal to pin 3 of the IC. Take one LED, the longer terminal is positive and the shorter terminal is negative. Connect the positive terminal to the another terminal of 470 ohm resistor and the negative terminal to the negative rail of the breadboard. Short pin number 4 and 8 of the IC together. So this is how we are done with the connection. Now let's test the circuit. Take a battery, connect the positive terminal of battery to the positive rail of the breadboard. And negative terminal of battery to the negative rail of the breadboard. So as you can see, when you press the push button, the LED turns on for a short period of time and then turns off. You can change the time period for which the LED remains on by changing the value of these two components.